Hey everybody, welcome back to another Ford Ranger video. Well, this week I've got something that probably plagues a lot of you with these Rangers. You can see the oil pressure needle has gone past the resting point, and that's caused, a lot of you know from an earlier video where this thing dances like crazy. Well, as far as fixing that, I have done everything. I've replaced the oil sending unit, I've replaced this gauge, and I've replaced the cam synchronizer. So I'm not sure what is actually causing that, but that's not the purpose of this video. This video I'm going to show you how to fix that without cracking open the cluster. So I have this giant magnet that I saved from a speaker that I got rid of a long time ago. And it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is just kind of hold the magnet over it. The truck got to be off. And should get it back in place. So let me position this and we'll get this fixed. All right, just to show you this magnet. I'm not sure about the size, but it is a pretty big magnet. So this is actually pretty simple. Like I said, the truck's got to be off. And all you have to do is just kind of see if I can do this and show it. See, when you put the magnet close to it, it moves. Pull it away and the needle goes back. This might be difficult to show because it's literally going to block the view of it. But let me work on this, and once I get it, it may take a minute or two to kind of flip this around, but I'll show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. Slowly, but there it goes. The trick is to hold the magnet on the side, I find. All right, let me finesse this and see if I can get it past the half point, I guess. All right, that took about 5 minutes, which is longer than it took me last time. You definitely don't want to scratch your bezel, your plastic bezel, with that sharp magnet. So the trick I found is to take the magnet and put it on its side and then kind of gently rotate it. And once you get it past the halfway point, then it'll fall back into place. Now, I'm not sure how long that'll stay that way. So this is like I said, put the magnet on the side. You'll see, like, one part of this magnet will repel it and one will attract it. I suppose if you had even larger magnet, it would do a much faster job, but that's what I have. And I'm just gonna keep it in the back behind the seat for when this happens again. So if anyone out there knows the great mystery behind this oil pressure on these Rangers, let me know. Like I said, I've done a video on this before. I replaced the sending unit and it still did it. I replaced the gauge cluster, still did it. Replaced the cam synchronizer, which was, the seal was leaking oil, so that was really not a big deal, but it still does it after that. So, and I'm pretty sure there's not actually an oil pressure problem with this truck because it only does it intermittently. So, one more project done. Let me know if you have any questions, put them below. Like I said, if you know the true answer to this, a lot of us would love to know. There's so much different information on the forums, but it keeps coming back to those 3 things, none of which happen to fix the problem on my truck. So until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.